How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Fairies Technology. Today we're unboxing the Dewalt DCK283D2, and this one has the impact driver right here and the drill included. These are both the brushless ones, which is very good quality. The impact driver is 3 speeds, which is excellent because then, sometimes you can over drill stuff. You don't want to do that. So we've got this set. We're going to unbox it, and then we're going to answer the age-old question: should you own a impact driver and a drill? Is it worthwhile to have both? We're gonna answer that. We're gonna talk about that. But let's go ahead and unbox this. This is such a good value of a package because we get both the drill and the impact driver, plus we get a battery for each one of them and the charger. Most of these will be sold separately without the battery or the charger, just the actual tool itself, and it costs nearly as much as this whole package. I'm gonna link it down below so you can check out the current pricing, but this is such a great value. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So most importantly, they want to remind you, made in the USA. So we get quality stuff, quality craftsmanship made by your very own. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we get inside of this packaging right here. Got some nice packaging. We got a nice bag, of course, that we have. Obviously, you can see that. First, we have the drill. We've got your instruction booklets, which I'm sure you're gonna read. Not. We've got your little hook that you have to attach, one of the batteries, another battery, the charger, your impact driver, another one of the hooks, and a piece of paper, which we don't need. Let's go ahead, we'll put that stuff aside. Let's go ahead and open this all up. So we'll put that together just right there. We've got that. We'll take out this battery and we'll take our impact driver and we'll throw the battery onto that as well. And then we've got these 2 little pieces right here that we can choose to, if we want to, put them right on here. These are just mostly for home for me, so I think for now I'm not going to use the little hooks for them. The Dewalt 20 volt max XR. This is your impact driver right here. We've got the speed control right here down at the bottom. So we've got 3 different speeds, which is excellent. We've got this little switch right here, which you have a push out on this side as well. So that's gonna be for forward, and that's gonna be for reverse. And obviously you adjust those speeds as you need to. We do have the light on there as well. So the light, I believe, is activated for 20 seconds. When you tap that, it resets it to 20 seconds. So that's gonna stay on nicely for your 20 seconds. And then we've got our drill right here. You can see our drill. We've got control for your lights right there. So we got that real bright light for that one right there. And then we've got our drill, same thing. We've got different forward and reverse on each side. These are the Max XR brushless systems. They're just such an excellent quality system on these ones. Do you need a drill and an impact driver together? Very, very old question. And let me tell you a big reason why you should own both of them. If you're drilling holes, you want to use a drill and not use your impact driver. The reason why is because a drill will go at a constant speed. So it's gonna drill at a nice continuous speed and drill that hole nice and smooth. And when you've got your impact driver, it's just it's like slow, fast, slow, fast, slow, fast. So it just barrels right through. Here, let me give you an analogy. We've got a car, and let's say this car is a police car, and we've got your traffic right here. And the police car needs to get through this traffic. When you're a drill, your police car is gonna woo, woo, woo. The cars are gonna move over. Woo, 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 woo. The cars are gonna move over. Woo, 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 woo. It's gonna go nicely through, nice and smooth. When you've got your impact driver right here, this is what happens. Your impact driver goes, so it just crashes right through, and it will not drill a smooth hole to where you want to drill. So you definitely want to drill with your drill and use your impact driver to drive stuff into the hole. You've got a screw or something that's in a really hard board that you want to scroll right through. You can use this, and this is going to apply the power and release the pressure off of your body. I got both of these sets. This is just such a great value, guys. If this video was helpful for you and I answered some questions for you, hopefully I did, please leave a thumbs up. Again, I'll link everything down below so you can check out the current pricing in your area. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.